a real AI agent for logs prediction and JIRA integration. A step-by-step guide created by this guy, by Igor Kulik. And by the way, he's not sleeping, but agent is working. Let's start.
Okay, I've created this step-by-step guide for absolutely non-technical people in IT operations or security operations or everyone, business analyst or project manager who would like to try how to create a real AI agent. So after this video and after the article created, you can recreate the entire working demo project from the scratch using Google Cloud and using the Vertex AI ecosystem. So what is the real problem statement? So in IT operations, it's not the problem to have any tools. The problem is that when you're receiving millions of rows of logs, you should treat them, you should analyze, you should categorize and should implement and address to someone who will actually be fixing and reacting for these logs. So our solution is ingesting million of logs. It analyzes and predicts anomalies and malicious events. It creates tickets for malicious events in Jira, Jira, and using AI agent communication and tracking the public dashboard. And actually, all source code, all steps will be attached and provided to every one of you. You can just click for AI agent to review the dashboard, to review wiki logs, and actually Jira tickets. So that is was created could be created even by non-technical people. So let's briefly review the architecture design. What do we have? So we have a really Wikipedia log stream ingestion engine. It's generating in a live mode hundreds of different logs. It's ingesting into the Google Cloud run by some script. It's being analyzed by Vertex AI with in this particular case a Gemini 2.5 flash model. It's labeling what of them are malicious edits or usual bot activity. Then it's being saved in BigQuery log storage. It's being categorized and being saved. So it's available for analysis and prediction. And thereafter, when by running the fast MCP servers, we have the Streamlit dashboard. It's being available for everyone. You can expose to even to the internet to analyze these logs or to your team. It's up to you, or just use by yourself. You could also expose the agent who will analyze the scope, and it's available for you to click and to try. And the second one is the major one. When we meet some malicious edits that we would like to create the Jira ticket and address to the specific engineer, our project is working. So let's move forward. So in our case, as I said, the best tips is the real step-by-step guide. You can review architecture design. You can review every use tools that we are using in this particular project. You all deliverables with actually working links. I'll present you everything of that. You can review example of request to the agent bot, some agent hints, and actually step-by-step guide. Some example of actually I use the Gemini assistant for every steps. I asked it and he provided to me all details. I clarified multiple times, sometimes 10 times for the same question to have the clear answer. And that's why we have now the clear screenshots with clear guides how you could create. So Gemini is my personal assistant. Then you can BigQuery setup, set up project, set up with specific names, submit fields in the BigQuery. Then you can even try to see the SQL query to understand how much uh, items you can ingest it from the Wikipedia. Then you should enable required APIs so you can see exactly where they are, how to find, and how it should looks like, just to avoid any mistakes. Because as we said, you are non-technical people, you would like to create your own engines, so feel free. This guide is right for you. So then the next phase is Jira integration setup. How you should do it? You should register your Jira account. You should go create some project, then create API token, because as you know that your agent is communicating with Jira through API. Put the name, copy it, then save someone, and the main agent where you should do. There is some code, and all these lines of code are available for you. You just create new files, you create, and then you deploy, just running one simple command. So nothing specific. You just open your terminal and copy paste. That's it. It's been deployed, and you can have your working project. Then you can review all logs in your application in the cloud run. Then the specific AI agent we should create, specific clicks, how to create, to provide description, to provide instruction, just copy paste, then create the new agent, connect to the new MCP server. MCP means Model Context Protocol. Then you should provide for your service account some permissions, the specific what service account should be granted by these permissions and what specific permissions should be. You can see here, and that's it. It's here. Then the next one, the phase is creation the dashboard and exposing it to the public, because it was the goal of our project. So you should install agent development kit. You should insert some code. All code is are available. Run deployment, and you can see such amazing and incredible dashboard. Let's move forward. Then AI agent chat. Yeah, because we can have definitely our chat within our development and cloud environment, but we would like to grant it for our team, yeah, to our specific engineers to have. So that's why we exposed. Then where to find what should be in the part of these files, create subfolder, copy paste all information, then deploy. Just simple. Not don't afraid this deployment word. You just copy paste this command. Then, as I promised, appendix is a code repository with all code. Just copy paste. It's are you afraid? Don't afraid. Then it's one file copy paste, and another appendix is for the with code for the dashboard, and another one is for the agent that is available for everyone. So how it looks like. So don't afraid. So specifically, my favorite tool is Gemini that I used for this project. Just posted and I triaged and debugged everything within this project in the Gemini. Also, I saved these all files within a link that is available in this article. Okay, it's Agent Designer VertexAI in Google ecosystem. You have the big query where you can run and review the latest number of logs that have been ingested by our application for the last few days. Then copy paste and all. Oh, it should be authorized. So it's reloading, and we have this code. We have terminal copy paste command for each of these files. It's a agent. It's a main engine of this project, and it's a dashboard. So it's available, and that's it. Yeah, authorize. Sure, one moment. We'll be back. Also, another tool that we used in the Google Cloud ecosystem is API and services that is being communicating within this project. We can review all logs, what's going on here. Another view, repositories and permissions that we granted, we could include and exclude, and also grant API case for agent to be available externally. Let's back to the Cloud Shell. It's being authorized yet. Okay, let's do it. Let's wait. Okay, yeah, we can see it, and that's it. That's the simple code. All steps detailed, explained in our chat. So quick demo. So live streaming of all logs from the Wikipedia. It's being updated regularly every second. Then we have the dashboard. Yeah, so we created just for monitoring for each type of these logs, what amount of mapped logs and the recent anomalies. And then we have our agent. Yeah, so and we can see my Kanban board for the latest malicious events. So let's click on the new session, and we can scan anomalies for the last, let's say, 6 hours. Let's see if it's found. No, it should be scan anomalies for the last 6 hours. Again, it's being scanned. Your agent is working. Yeah, it could be scheduled in the background, but we would like to have and scan from the management standpoint, from the engineer standpoint, when what is for what was here for the last 6 hours. It's being scanned. Yes, no significant spikes. We would like to review statistics for the last, let's say, 8 hours. And what's going on there? It's been gathering. You can spell in different format. Yeah, so we have what events, and we have 96 malicious events. Oh my God. So let's malicious events and create tickets. Okay, we limited to create only 5. So agent is working, tickets created, all prognosis and research are ready, and all tickets created, as you can see, all malicious. And so stay tuned, subscribe, like,